Jersey Hollk reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping for fashion apparel, most people get this wrong by assuming all online brands offer standard pricing. The surprising truth is that Jersey Hollk offers mid-range to premium clothing with pricing based on material, style and exclusivity. Casual tops and tees typically start around, while premium items like jackets or designer pieces range from. Seasonal sales and bundle offers may lower costs by 10%-30%. Shipping fees generally range from depending on location. What you get: trendy, quality apparel, exclusive designs and online convenience. What you give up: variable shipping times, occasional limited stock and prices slightly above budget retailers. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Track seasonal sales or promotions. Step 2. Check size charts carefully to avoid returns. Step 3. Bundle items to save on shipping. Step 4. Read product reviews to ensure quality. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore material and care instructions. Some fabrics require delicate handling. The surprising truth is that Jersey Hollk pricing reflects a balance between quality, exclusivity, and brand positioning, not just the item itself. In conclusion, Jersey Hollk offers stylish, quality clothing at prices that match their design and material value. Smart shopping ensures you get maximum style and durability for your money.